Peace Queens, this video is about our newest product, Yummy Yoni Oil. Our Yummy Yoni Oil was made and designed specifically with your yoni in mind. Our Yummy Yoni Oil is a natural lubricant that can be applied daily to help reduce and prevent itch, odor, and dryness. But wait, there's more. If you experience UTI, BV, or reoccurring yeast infections after sex, start using our Yummy Yoni Oil during sex to protect your pH balance. The great thing about our Yummy Yoni Oil is it's safe enough for the most sensitive yoni, safe enough for daily use, and for young women as well. To learn more, such as ingredients or other ways to use our Yummy Yoni Oil, read about it in the description below. I hope this video was helpful for you. And to get your Yummy Yoni Oil, visit us online at prettykittyboutique.net. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Bye!